Hey guys, it's your girl Trisha B, and today I want to talk to you guys about if dropshipping is really a scam. Stay tuned and watch this video. So, let's jump right on into it. Is dropshipping a scam? The answer is no, it's not. Let's think about it this way. Our retail stores have been doing this all along. They buy wholesale or buy cheap, and they sell it to us for retail price. So no, this is not a scam. When you're looking to dropship online, the only thing you're doing is shopping for people who are looking for items anyway. So it's just like you're building your own Shopify store, building your own boutique, your own website. It's all the same thing. You're just selling items that you find for a cheaper price and reselling that item for your retail price. And you when you get orders in, people will buy from you, and once they buy from you, you will go to your vendor and you will purchase the item from your vendor, and then after that you will be able to keep the profits. And that's how drop shipping works. It's not a scam, it's nothing illegal. This is actually a business structure for newbies to build a home-based business for themselves and make a income from home. I have been doing this for almost 2 months now, and I honestly must say that I love it. Drop shipping has been able to provide me with a great birthday present for myself. Me and my son's birthday, we share birthday month, so financially that can be a struggle. My birthday and my son's birthday is in the same month, so I was able to actually have a great birthday for myself and also a great first birthday for my son. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Dropshipping is definitely not a scam. It's something you definitely should research on, and if you're looking to build a business with this, actually I have a program right now. If you join with me, it's $20 to start, and if you're interested in that, then go ahead and message me or leave a comment under this video. Get in touch with me, and I can show you how you can learn how to drop ship for $20. You get a vendor's list of vendors you can use. You sell all different type of items that you want, that you're interested in. It could be clothes, shoes, purses, electronics, toys, whatever you're interested in. You can find these vendors, find it for wholesale or cheaper prices, and resell them. Build your own store online and build a business online for yourself and an extra income. So if that's something that interests you and you have $20 to get started, one time, no monthly fees, then go ahead and message me and I can get you started with that. And I hope this video was very helpful for you guys to understand that dropshipping is not a scam. It's basically building your own store and putting products out there for people to buy, and it's nothing scammy about it. So I hope that clarifies something for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.